Hey guys, what's going on? It's Doombreaker again, and I'm here with another tutorial for you guys. So today is the fifth episode of my Visual Basic the Basics series, and today we are going to do a roundup of everything we have learned in the past tutorials. So today we are going to make a calculator. So I'm going to use everything we've learned, and we are also going to learn some new stuff. So before we start, I want to say happy birthday to Henky I'm Random. He is a subscriber of mine, and he told me on the live stream that his birthday is today. So happy birthday to you, dude, and thanks for watching my videos. So let's start off by adding two text boxes. Text boxes, right? One and a 2 right here, and then we are going to say a button. Ta-da! Since we haven't learned anything about if statements, I'm just going to make a basic calculator that only does one thing. So yeah, let's name this calculate. All right, and we can also add a label here, and let's say this calculator only can do plus, so we'll make it nice, put it right here, and this in the middle. And now we can go to coding. So we double click calculate, and we declare two variables. Declare number 1 as a decimal, declare number 2 as a decimal, and declare results as a decimal. Because we're not going to work with integers, because we want the program to be able to see what's behind the comma. So when button 1 dot click is clicked, we are going to do text box. We are going to do number 1 is equal to cint, not cint, cdes. So what this will do is it will convert everything that's in the text box 1. So here we type text box 1 dot text, like so. So what it will do is it will convert everything that's in text box 1 dot text, which is currently a string, and it will convert it to a decimal and put that number into number 1, like so. We'll do the same thing for number 2, so that's equal to cdes. So if you want to convert it to an integer, you just type cint for integer, textbox2.text, bam, and then we are just going to type results is equal to number 1 plus number 2, number 2, and I forgot that we need somewhere to put our answers, so let's put a label right here and leave it empty for now. And then right here we can say label 1 dot text is equal to open brackets, the result is, and then the result to string. Alright, so let's debug it and let's see if this works. So 9 plus 5 should be 14. The result is 14, and I have no idea why it showed up right there. Oh yes, this is label 1 and this is label 2. Okay, so label 2. So the proper way to do this is to every time you drag in something from the toolbox, be sure to name it and name it something easier, like I can name label 1 plus sign. So it's a little bit easier to handle in your code when you're working with big pieces of code. So let's change this to calculator to make it all nice. So just to make sure that nothing oops, I think I just named my form or my text box the plus sign, but whatever. As you can see, just going to change this back to text box 1. As you can see, this is the proper way to do it. So debug it, and let's do 6 plus 5 should be 11. The result is 11. And if we type 4, the result is 10. If we type 60, bam. So some bugs in this program is, first of all, if we type T, which isn't a number, you're going to see that if we click calculate, it's going to crash and give a big error. That's because he can't convert the letter T to a decimal. There's a way to fix this, but I'm going to show you this in the next tutorial. So also something that you might not want is you can resize this and it will be all ugly and stuff. You can also maximize it. Minimizing is no problem, but the maximizing is kind of annoying. So the way to fix this is you go to your form, so you click your form, go to properties and search for maximize box, set this to false, so now you can't maximize it. And if we go to form border style, make this fixed single. So if we debug it, you can see I can't drag it anywhere, and I also can't maximize it. So that's a way to fix it if you want it to be all cool and stuff. So I'm going to show you some cool stuff in the next 4 tutorials, and hopefully in tutorial 10 I will carry on with this project and make it a little bit more advanced. So be sure to save your project. So I'm going to save it right now, so you can use it in the later tutorial. So thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video, please click the like button below. If you like my stuff, please consider subscribing because it helps me out a lot. And I see you guys in the next tutorial. Bye.